Hey folks, how's it all going? And we're back by the scroll saw. Folks, what I want to show off today is I've got some new lights here, these LEDs, and they are super, super bright. And somebody had mentioned these on, I think, one of the Facebook groups on one of the woodworking pages, and it's a sewing lamp. And they had said these had been really cheap, and then they got really expensive, and now all of a sudden they're really cheap again. They're like $10, and I said for $10, I'll try one. And I bought one, and it was so nice. I bought two more, and it actually eliminates the shadow when I'm scrolling. And as you can see, it's just sits on a magnetic base. It has a switch on and off, and it's got a nice gooseneck that as you can see, it's got it doesn't move. So that's really nice. And I'm going to leave the link down below. I tell you what, let's take a look. Let's take a look at online as to the sewing lamp, so you can see it yourself. All right, so there it is on Amazon. You can see it's $10, $9.99, and it's the EVI's whatever sewing machine light LED. And like I said, this thing is really, really nice. Let's take a little bit closer look at it. Here, open up the box, and so you can see how it comes. This one I'm going to put on my drill press. So it comes, it's got a magnetic base, and it's got a rubber thing here that would keep it from sliding up and down. It's got a cord on it. It's about a 4-foot cord. And like I said, this gooseneck is, that's the key right there. This gooseneck is nice and stiff, like a gooseneck should be. And even with the vibration from the scroll saw, it doesn't come down. Now you can also mount it on other products too. It comes with this 3M sticky thing that's got a metal. It's kind of like you'd have for like a cell phone holder, so you can put it on something that's non-magnetic and still use it. So this one, I'll tell you what, let's take a look at where we're going to put this one. There it is on the drill press. Wow, that is really bright. Like I said, this thing is super cool. You can see it's got an on and off right here. Take a look at the difference on, and man, oh man, I'll tell you, that is nice. So folks, I'll leave the link down below. This thing is, well, I think it's really cool. Hope you like this. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.